Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to change your birthday on Facebook. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then simply click on your profile picture or name to navigate to your profile page. Or you can simply click on the three dashboard available there and tap on your profile on the top. So after you are on your profile page, you'll get to see an edit profile button or link. Click on it. Then simply scroll down to the basic information section or find the about section and tap on the edit your about info. So inside about info, you'll get to see a long list of your about information provided in your Facebook, and there you'll get to see your birthday information as well. So simply tap on the edit right above your basic info on option available there. After you tap on the edit, you will get a drop down menu or calendar may appear depending on the device you are using. So select your new birth date from the options provided by there. After selecting your new birth date, click on Save or Save Changes in the top right corner to confirm it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.